Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we will be diving into a powerful feature in Power BI, which is the top N filter. So this filter is very useful for highlighting the top performing items in your data, whether it's the top 10 products by sales, the top 5 regions by profit, or any other metric that you want to focus on. So let's get started. So first of all, here I am having a travel data set to various countries here and on a particular date month, and these are the number of passengers who are visiting that country. Let's move on to our report view. So I'll remove these charts first and let's start afresh. So our data has three columns: country, month, and total passengers. So here is our report view. First of all, we'll draw a very simple bar chart, and we would like to have in it the country and total passengers, just to have a quick view of how the visualization looks like. So here all the countries where the passengers have been to. Now we want to see what are the favorite destination of travelers, maybe the top 5 countries which the travelers visit most often. So select this chart and we'll see here a filters segment, and we see here this is a filters on this visual pane, and in that we'll come down to country, expand this. Here we can see a filter type. If we'll see in the drop down here, we will see the top 10 filter and show items. Yes, we want the top. We can filter it from the bottom also, like the least favorite destination. So first let's see the top ones. The top 5 destinations, let's see. So I've entered 5 here. By value, we have to add the data field here, so it will be based on the total passengers, right, the total travelers who have visited the country. So we'll apply the filter, and here we can see the top 5 favorite destination of the travelers are visible. Now suppose we want to see the least favorite, we can again change it to bottom, and so the bottom 5, the least favorite destinations would be these. So yes, hope this was useful. And again, you can just use whichever chart you want as per your liking. We can use a donut chart or whatever, which adds more uniqueness to your chart. No.